Yo, what's going on? My name is Chase. You're now tuning in to Chase my YouTube channel, which showcases my life, the things I'm passionate about, what Arkansas has to offer. If you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button so you can be a part of the Driver Squad. Make sure you like this video, because if you didn't know, once you like this video, you let everybody know on YouTube that this channel is valuable. Share this video to your friends and family members and let them know that Chase Way is popping. Let's get in today's video.
Nah, for real. I pull up no star for real. I hop in the whip and take off, you know I'm on my
Driver Squad, what's going on? Chase right back with another video. Today's video, we're going to be talking about my new journey, HFX. My separation from the stock market just for a few weeks. I took some time off from the stock market. I guess we just jumping right into it. I took some time off from the stock market because I wanted to mentally prepare myself for October. October is here. So we enter phase one, week one. I had my day one, I lost my day two, I won. But we are talking about a plan that's going to be helping Chase Way, and Driver Squad to become successful. Just like how I started off investing in the stock market, I wanted to also elevate my knowledge of learning trading. And the best way that I found out what's going to give me the best results, or is going to help me with my income, my streams of income, my cash flow, and other things like that, HFX. Now you may be wondering, what is HFX? HFX is high frequency Forex. It's just that simple. But I wanted to put this presentation on so we can just talk about a few things. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So what are some of the challenges we face today? Right now, we're going through what we've been going through since February. I started getting into the stock market, and we started slowly going on that, but I started realizing you have to have money and you have to be prepared. Since I'm a truck driver and I know I had to do some preparation, sometimes it got overwhelming. I kept it up, I kept going, y'all kept fighting for me. But when I started really looking at and started really just analyzing what I needed to do, yes, 80% is about being patient and 10% about buying and 10% of selling. But I knew it was a quicker way to bring in more dollars. I knew it was a quicker way to control my money. I knew it was a quicker way, or a better way, a legal way, a safer way, a much easier way to make money on the market. Do you feel like you were meant for something more? I knew I joined Forex once before, but since I was driving at the night, since I was driving overnight, I knew once I switched my schedule, I was going to join. I was in Forex before, but now I'm at HFX, and I would go over the whole PowerPoint, but I'm not even gonna go into the whole PowerPoint. I just want to show y'all something. We're just gonna dissect a few things. I'm at HFX right now, and let's just say this. I'm gonna turn this off real quick because I want to share my story. So as I put y'all on my phone screen, I want to share something with y'all. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right now we in phase one, day 2, phase 1. Something that I'm projecting to be, I want to show y'all. I am projecting to have somewhere near this amount of money in my bank account. Now you might not believe me, but that's why I don't mind documenting my life. This is where I'm projecting to be, and that's why I enjoy being transparent with Driver Squad. I'm going to be, you see that bottom number? Yeah, I'm going to be somewhere around there. And once it was shown to me, and all I had to do is just be focused and have the will and be determined, I knew it was possible. Because what did I do with the stock market? If you go back, I have, let's just examine how many videos do I have just focusing on the stock market. I have 178 videos. So that means from, let me see, I think I got into it back in March. From March to November, October, I was committed, I was determined, I was willing to learn to make sure that I made money and Driver Squad made money. And that was one of the things that I knew, that once I joined HFX, I was going to achieve it. And that's why I'm talking about this, because I know y'all joined on this. Y'all got me to 1,000 subscribers. Y'all got me over to 2,000 subscribers. And now we're slowly approaching, what, 24, I believe? I want to say 24. No, 25,000. Y'all help. Because y'all seen how willing I was to be better and to make y'all money. With all that being said, what did I do? So I slowly stopped talking about the stock market. I kind of fell out of it because I started getting my mind right of the bigger picture. So in my Cash App, I have no investments in Cash App. I took my money out of Cash App. Robinhood, what did I do? Shout out to Nicole. I guess she watched me from a previous video and she joined Robinhood. I'm not going nowhere with the stocks, but I knew I needed a change. So what did I do? I took my money out of the stock market and I made sure that I paid for having the knowledge and the tools and the assets of HFX. So that's it. That's all the money that I have in Robinhood now. Let's go to Webull. Yeah, this is all I have in Webull. 33 shares didn't get sold, and that's all I have. I took all my money out. Coinbase. I took my money out. Like, look, I don't have no funds anymore. You see the profit balance up here? I have nothing. So I took my money out and I started realizing that it's time to be more efficient. It's time to be more patient and be more vulnerable with allowing someone to teach me and to help me to make more money. And HFX is going to get me there, because just imagine, y'all know, let's just focus on this. Let me put y'all on the screen real quick. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So let's just say, of course, you have the stock market, right? With the stock charts. And let's just say, you have to find your stock and you have to pick a point where you want to invest. Right? Now, if you just look at this chart, you see $5.43, right? You see on the moving average, 50 days is gonna be $6.19. 200 days is gonna be $7.79. Now you have to wait so many days for you to get a return. But guess what? Just imagine if it was already done for you. All you have to do is push 2 buttons, either buy or sell, because it already tells you what you need to do from the red and the yellow numbers right there. That's how easy it is. And guess what? All you have to do is just go live, pick an appropriate time where you can get in and just get in these calls. And that's when I realized, okay, yeah, I'm a numbers person, but just imagine if I'm already getting these calls, but I'm also slowly learning how to go on and get my own calls once I build my own team. Driver squad, I believe I haven't let anyone down from the things that I said that will be good stocks. From all the responses, all the messages, y'all said y'all been making me money, y'all learned so much money. But I'm slowly realizing that it's time to go bigger, it's time to go better. It's time to get the tools and it's time to get the knowledge of HFX and I'm Master Academy. It's time to master trading on the foreign exchange market. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And moving forward, yeah, I'm going to be doing some investments, but then again, it's time to go hard, honestly. Because just imagine if this was to show you, this graph was to give you entry points or when you should buy or when you should sell. And just imagine if you had the proper training of HFX so you can learn on your own time, but at the same time you can talk to a mentorship, you can go on conventions, and you can just go live with the masters already in front. Just think about that. Now you might be wondering, okay Chase, how much does something like this cost? I'm gonna show y'all what I paid. Startup is $234.95, and then after that, the monthly is $100.74.95. $174.95. I think I said that correct. And that's how much it costs for that. It includes the HFX Master Academy, the Go Live, and the Harmonics HFX. And that's something that I knew it was time for a change. So what did I take all my money out? I had over $700 in the stock market. I took my money out, and I took my $234.95 and I added $100 on top of that, and guess what? I'm in October. I was starting strong and I'm on day 2 because the market is open 5 days a week, Sunday through Friday at 4, because we is United States, so that's our time. But if this interests you, this is just day 1. That's all I gotta say. This is phase 1, week 1, and phase 2 is gonna be probably me leaving my truck driving job. I'm gonna be coming home. All I gotta do is just be focused for the next 2 weeks, and y'all will see the transition. But I'm gonna end this video like this, and I'll see y'all in another video. Chase is out. Peace.